4 in the morning and we're going fishing. He told me to be ready by 4. It is now 4:50. He's pissing me off. I could have slipped in for an extra hour and a half because just got here.
Morning everyone.
Starting right to Duncansby Road.
Where are we going?
We're on
At the stop
our way
sign,
to
turn left.
Whangaparoa.
Are you gonna stop and get gas?
Yeah, but I'll look for like a better gas station. I don't like the motorway.
In about 1.5 kilometres at
Oh,
the
how do I read
roundabout,
this?
take the second exit onto Varon Road.
Yeah,
We're out here.
energy levels are
At an all-time low.
at an all-time low.
But yeah, we're just gonna, Cuz is gonna go get 3 pies for himself. Morning. And
It's on tonight.
alright, let's go. Let's get some water.
Yeah.
Cuz, show me what bait to get after I fill up.
Coaching.
What?
Coaching. I'll come with you.
Oh yeah. I got the Wasn't squid good, cuz?
No.
Do you need ASO?
Get 2 of these. That's it.
Do you need ASO?
Where is those? Yeah, just one bag.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Show them. So I can get shit in. Boss! Oh, you have to come in.
Yeah,
I don't know. It just stay on one.
You need a jump over now because you got 400
I can't.
Damn, we're trying to get you into critical condition. Look at that sunrise.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Well, yeah, man. We're just young entrepreneurs. Jokes. We are the poorest in NZ. You just need to be you.
Need to
That's
be
our
you,
motto.
guys. You just need
to be you. You just need to break whistles.
That's it.
Alright. Hit the road, man. Head north for about 700 k's. I did not sign up for these steep hills.
Fuck, man.
Is it my mouth?
It is. Alright, we're off now, guys.
Damn, man. Nah, but I guess it's good cardio, eh? Good cardio, lads. We're gonna head down there. I wanna throw out our surf casters and hope to bring back some fish. If we don't, I'm gonna fillet the cuz's feet. Wow, is the wind not good? Oh, it's on there. This walker's already pissing me off. Silly, what the hell? Bloody chickens. Oh man, my shoulders are already sore. in agony.
Nah. It gets worse and worse.
Think you can. Sometimes you just gotta dig deep, I guess. Solid. Oh no, you built the site. Solid. Imagine like injuring yourself down here.
You can look for a spot that you can just. I wonder where the.
Oh no, you guys are the biggest field pokos. I don't even know if I can cook here, it's so windy. I might go behind that rock.
Well.
Wow, wind's at an all-time high.
I can understand why. Grown men don't cry. That's a damn lie. The legend's always got to die young. Where are you on standby? See, I see a lot, and then all for a kid to get shot. So excuse me if I
Just hurry up and catch some fish! Alright guys.
I feel it today too.
Hey,
There's a difference when you feel
what about when you feel wet already in your socks? I just need to find my cooking station. So it's way too windy here. Did you just bring a chair? Alright cuz, you ready? What are you looking forward to catching? Coweye?
Trevally, man.
Trevally.
Love my Trevally.
Yeah, the southwesterly winds is looking quite heavy. Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, my reel, Shimano reel. My rod, Shimano rod.
Gongaka.
Yeah.
Oh, these are cheap ones.
Nah, you'll find out in the comments. Let us know. There's better brands, but nah, I reckon this one's the brand. There's Okuma. It's another brand.
How long till you guys get? How long till you guys are fully set up?
Probably like 3.
So how long have you been fishing, mate?
Couple of years.
If we catch nothing but a cold, man, it's on you guys. Huh? Yeah, guys, did you just bring any barley? What are you doing there, cuz?
I've got to keep the. Oh, I don't know how to say it, but this line is to hold the bait together. But in Samoan, it's filo. It's called filo.
Well, Philippines. Yeah, guys, my cousin's actually top class fisherman. I just want to slap the back of his head so hard. Alright, are you going to go cast now?
The cast. Yeah, see how we go. Sea's a bit rough today, but a bad day at fishing is always better than a good day at work. Yeah guys, we're on.
Does he know what he's doing?
yeah, see how we go. Been a minute. Yeah. So I'm good today. Hopefully get some fish for the whānau. Yeah, guys, it's on. Sweet. Try this location. Try booming it straight. Huh? I've just casted that line or that trace or that bait. Now I'm gonna go on. My first bait was Eden, but yeah, it didn't hook on. Yeah, now I'm about to go change my bait.
Sully, the bait's probably finished. Where's the charger? Day for it. It's not really the day for it, but we don't care. Got the cuzzies out there. What do you reckon, Trevally? What do you reckon, Kauai? Don't forget to bleed it out when you caught one. Yeah, I don't care. Guys, it is not the day for fishing, man, but it's not gonna dim our energy levels. Energy levels are at an all-time high right now. We got some lamb chops. We got some homemade Angus beef sausages. It looks a bit pungo, but I swear it's not. I don't care. But yeah, man. How good, how good. A little cookie. It's raining right now, guys, so I'm just working with what I got. I'm just gonna chuck these lamb chops. These lamb chops are maybe just a little bit longer. And we'll chuck it into our tray. Let's turn the heat up, let's fire it up. Let's get a good sear on there.
There you go, guys. What a day for it, eh? Look at that. I'm still on my second bait, haven't changed it. It's a bit quiet right now, the tides have turned. But yeah, hopefully it gets better.
Cuzzy, all good?
Yeah, cuz all good.
We are here, mate.
We're just waiting, man. Alright, guys. I'm going to change my bait around. Alright, guys. My third bait. Like I said, guys, gotta stay patient in this game. Not just patient, but like I said, man, a bad day at fishing is always better than a good day at work. Let's go. We on. Let's go. No good. Pissing me off. Alright, guys. I have to change my bait. Guys, if you guys are gonna fish, make sure you guys pick up your guys' bloody rubbish, man. Bloody hell. Huh? Ciao.
She's bloody torrential, I'll tell ya.
What is that? Hey, cuz, what is that over there? Is that Burley?
I'm just thinking, this might be our best spot, eh?
Yeah.
Unless we go around there to eat. Man, that undersized snapper was yum. Sully, you know, if my aqua was like this, would they make me kakalo just to siaki it?
Of course. Every bag you carry.
What did you say?
No.
What about singers? So are they the kingpin of taking the screen no ones?
Yeah. What do you feel about singers? Fishing's going a bit slow today, but it's alright.
The feed was on.
The feed was good. It's the food that matters, alright? But yeah, we are on. We are down at Whangaporoa. I don't know where, but this rock over here. How good. It's the stairs that's gonna kill us. Got our rods out. And yeah, the forecast is no good. Or the rain.
Alright, bring it in, Kaz, bring it in. Shocking. Guys, the only thing we caught today was a cold. I don't care. We got Hanuman over there. He's about to catch some undersized snappers, man. He doesn't care. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, man. We've been here since 5 this morning. Man, it's just been nothing but oh fuck, I'm gonna slip. Shit. It's just nothing but hard work. Yeah, but we're gonna get on out of here, head up to those stairs. Look at those deadly stairs. I'm telling you now, she's bloody ferocious. They've got a message here. What does it say? I don't know, and I don't care. Bro, check out these stairs, man. It's like a ladder. Fuck. Oh, one step at a time. And I got my bag full of everything. There you are. Imagine if I broke it, eh? There you are. Oh, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Made up the first flight of stairs just to get hit with another set of stairs. Alright. Ah, here we go. Big push. Big push. Make sure my phone's in my pocket. Yeah. She's a hiller. All right, last little hill climb, and we made it. Just when I thought it was over. Last one. Good for the soul. Let's try. Doesn't help I got this giant bag. We made it. Just gotta catch my breath. She was a mission. We didn't catch anything, man, but hey, we got out there, we tried our best. It is what it is. Now we're gonna go buy a snapper just so my parents don't get mad. I don't care. Well deserved. Well deserved. I was looking forward to this very moment. Pardon me. Pardon me. What a day, what a morning.